DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, Treehouse thoughts. I'm in my treehouse that I built. I got videos on that if you want to look them up. Number 2. Okay, what is the fastest thing known to man? And what is its speed? So this is speed of light. This is the fastest thing known to man, and it's pretty fucking fast. So how fast is it? Well, it's 186,000 miles per second. Now that's fast, right? I don't even know what that is an hour. You got to multiply it by 3,600 to get this miles per hour. 30 seconds in a minute, 30 minutes in an hour, 3,600 times that, mph. But how do you get your head around that? Well, the circumference of the Earth is 25,000 miles, right? That's around the world. So the speed of light is about 7 times that, right? 186 divided by 25 is roughly 7. So the speed of light is around the world 7 times per second. 7 times around the world in 1 second. That's fast. That gives you a rough idea, It's so fast that it's hard to comprehend. If the sun went out, let's say it's daylight, and the sun went out, okay, here's the sun, and here's Earth, we're just a dot. If the sun went out, the light travels from the sun to the Earth. If the sun went out and it's daylight, like right now, you know how long it would be before we knew it? 8 minutes. It takes light 8 minutes to go from the sun to us. And the sun is 93 million miles away. So, that gives you another idea of how far away the sun is. Far. Now, here's another example. This is how huge the universe is. I mean, it's beyond comprehension. Okay, let's say you're on the Earth, right? Here's you. And you took a laser pointer, a real strong laser pointer, and you pointed it at the closest star. And you've got a friend that's on a planet on that star. And you punch the button, and the laser light's going to your friend. How long would it take for that laser light to hit, for your friend to realize that you just sent him a laser message or whatever? You know how long it would take at the speed of light? 4.3 years. So if you pointed it at him at the speed of light, 7 times around the Earth in 1 second, it would take 4.3 years for him to see it, and that's the closest star. Okay? Pretty amazing, huh? I think this is probably one of the reasons that we have seen aliens, but why we haven't seen a lot of them. Okay? They're just too far away. If at the speed of light it takes 4 years to get to the closest star, I mean, and then let's look at our galaxy. This is our galaxy.
the Milky Way galaxy. By the way, when you look up at the stars and you see the Milky Way, you're just seeing one arm of it. I think. Oh, you might be seeing the whole. We're 35,000 light years from the center. Okay, we're on one of these arms here. And the whole Milky Way is 100,000 light years across. Light years. So if you started at one end and you had a magic spaceship that could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to go from one end to the other. And then you got a whole bunch of other galaxies around here and shit. I mean, space is just huge. It's amazing. The only way we're gonna explore the rest of the universe is somehow we need a warp drive or some way to go faster than light. FTL. Faster than light. That's what we need to really explore the universe, to go to other stars and shit. Unless, you got these big ass spaceships that have 1,000 people on them and they travel fast. But, it's gonna take 20 years to get there, whatever. And here's one last thought that I thought I would share. Let's say you have a destination here, and you start here, okay, and you're trying to get to this thing, and let's say you have an engine like an ion engine or something that just keeps putting out power. You would accelerate how far? To the halfway point, okay? You would be accelerating, trying to go faster and faster and faster until you get to the halfway point. At that point, you got to switch it around and start decelerating at maximum. Okay, so your speed is goes up like this, and then goes down like that. Speed. That's how you would get to anywhere if you had something that could accelerate all the time. Well, I like to. The other day I was in a bar or something, and girl next to me, she says she's a teacher, right? So I asked her what a light year was. She fucking didn't know. She gave me this bullshit about, crap. Anyway, a light year is distance. It's how far light travels in 1 year. A quarter of the way to the nearest star. So it's interesting. Ask people what a light year is, and most of them won't even know. They don't teach anything in school anymore. 7 times around the world in 1 second. That's the speed of light. Alright, that's the end of the video. Onward and upward.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.